What is keeping you awake right now? Is it a looming deadline? Excitement about a trip? Or perhaps, it is the paralyzing fear that you won't be able to fall asleep at all. Welcome to the vicious cycle of insomnia, the most common sleep disorder in the world. Many of us occasionally toss and turn because of a snoring partner, physical pain, or a bout of jet lag. Usually, this sleep deprivation is temporary. Eventually, pure exhaustion takes over and you pass out. But for some, the bedroom transforms from a sanctuary of rest into a battlefield of anxiety. The more nights you spend staring at the ceiling, the more your brain associates your bed with panic. So, what exactly is happening inside an insomniac's brain? When you lie down and start worrying about not sleeping, your brain misinterprets this anxiety as a physical threat. It triggers a massive stress response. Cortisol and adrenaline flood your bloodstream. Your heart rate spikes, your blood pressure rises, and your body enters a state of hyper-arousal. Your brain is now on high alert for danger, making it impossible to ignore the ticking clock or the slight hum of the refrigerator. Even when an insomniac finally manages to drift off, the quality of their sleep is deeply compromised. Normally, a healthy brain slows down its metabolism during sleep to conserve glucose, its primary energy source, for the next day. But brain scans show that in an insomniac's brain, adrenaline keeps the metabolic engine running at full speed all night long. The brain is literally working overtime, burning through the glucose it was supposed to save. This is why you wake up feeling completely drained, groggy, and tense. And thus, the brutal cycle continues. If this cycle persists for months, it becomes chronic insomnia. While rarely fatal, its chemical mechanism is terrifyingly similar to the panic attack seen in clinical depression and anxiety. In fact, suffering from any one of these three conditions dramatically increases your risk of developing the other two. So, how do we break this cycle and reclaim our sleep? The absolute key is managing the hyperarousal. First, optimize your sleep environment. Keep your room dark, quiet, and comfortably cool. Second, and most importantly, use your bed strictly for sleep. If you have been lying awake for 20 minutes, do not stay in bed. Leave the room. Go read a book, meditate, or write in a journal until you actually feel drowsy. You have to break the psychological link between your bed and anxiety. Next, anchor your circadian rhythm. Wake up and go to sleep at the exact same time every single day. Because your internal clock is highly sensitive to light, avoid bright screens before bed. This signals to your brain that it is time to wind down. While sleeping pills might seem like an easy fix, they are often highly addictive and can actually worsen insomnia in the long run by causing dependency. However, before you self-diagnose, you need to make sure you actually have insomnia. About 8% of people diagnosed with insomnia actually suffer from a genetic condition called delayed sleep phase disorder, or DSPD. People with DSPD simply have a circadian rhythm that is longer than 24 hours. They aren't lying awake because of anxiety, their biological clock is just permanently out of sync with society. If given the chance, they sleep perfectly fine, just on a delayed schedule. Sleep is a complex and delicate balancing act, but it is the foundation of your physical and mental health. Take back control of your nights, and don't let the fear of not sleeping keep you awake. If you found this video helpful, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to Synapse Secrets, and turn on the notification bell. Have you ever been trapped in the insomnia cycle? Let us know in the comments, and we will see you in the next video.